Hey, welcome back everybody. James RULEXRP, and I have a quick video for you, some exciting news. I just found this article at news.bloomberglaw.com. Washington D.C. lawyers can now accept cryptocurrency as payment. Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, here's Ripple, XRP. This article is written by Melissa Stanzione. She's a reporter for Bloomberg. And it was written today, June 30th, 2020, 11:14 a.m. Let's go through it real quick. D.C. becomes fourth jurisdiction to allow this form of payment. Fee must be reasonable, District of Columbia Bar says. Lawyers in the nation's capital can accept cryptocurrency as payment for legal services as long as the fee agreement is fair and reasonable and the lawyer can safeguard the virtual property, the District of Columbia Bar said in its ethics opinion. Attorneys cannot hold back the tides of change even if they would like to, and cryptocurrency is increasingly accepted as a payment method by vendors and service providers, including lawyers, the June opinion from the Bar's Legal Ethics Committee said. But acknowledging the sometimes volatile nature of virtual currencies, the committee added that the fairness to the client of such fee arrangements should be judged at the time they're made, not when they become improvident. Cryptocurrency is a digital currency where transactions are recorded on a public digital ledger called a blockchain and trade on exchanges that operate like stock exchanges. Popular forms of cryptocurrency include Bitcoin and Ethereum. The option noted that the IRS treats cryptocurrency as property rather than currency for tax purposes, and it agreed that payment of fees in cryptocurrency is more akin to payment in property than payment in fiat currency. Law firms, including big law players, appear to be accepting cryptocurrency as payments for services more and more, despite the risk of volatility associated with cryptocurrency markets. The North Carolina, Nebraska, and New York City bars have issued advisory opinions in favor of accepting virtual currency as payment. Ethics rules require lawyers' fees to be reasonable, the D.C. Bar opinion said, but they don't preclude accepting potentially volatile assets as payment. Examples of such payment include share of corporate stock, property, and cryptocurrency, according to the opinion. Lawyers who accept an advance retainer in cryptocurrency are subject to Ethics Rule 1.8a, which requires a reasonable agreement with terms that have been explained in writing and that's fair to the client, it said. When it comes to agreements for those payments, the opinion said terms may include a clear explanation of how the client will be billed, whether market increases or decreases in the value of the cryptocurrency triggers obligations by either party, and whether the lawyer or the client will be responsible for cryptocurrency transfer fees. The client has to have a chance to confer with outside counsel on the deal, it said, and attorneys need to have written, informed consent to the agreement from clients. The rule does not apply to payments for fees already earned, according to the opinion. Fairness to the client is particularly important for volatile assets like cryptocurrency for future work, the opinion said. And an agreement's fairness should be judged at the time of signing, it said. There's no ethical breach if future events out of a lawyer's control cause the fee to appear unreasonable, the opinion said. Lawyers who accept payment in cryptocurrency for future work must be competent in the technology to protect the client's virtual property as the lawyer would protect all advance fees, which in this case requires lawyers to understand and safeguard against the many ways cryptocurrency can be stolen or lost, the opinion said. Cryptocurrency is ultimately simply a relatively new means of transferring economic value, and the rules are flexible enough to provide for the protection of clients' interests and property without rejecting advances in technologies, it concluded. The opinion is District of Columbia Bar Legal Ethics Committee, Op 378 on 620. To contact the reporter on the story, Melissa Stanzione of Washington, this is her email address. To contact the editors, you have their editor's address. To read more articles, you can log into Bloomberg Law. But this is really neat to see. I mean, we're going places with cryptocurrency. And it's real exciting. I wanted to get this news out to you. Everyone have a great day. I'll talk to you soon. Take care. Bye.